Building muscle at home without any equipment might seem challenging, but it's entirely possible with the right exercises and techniques. In this 5-minute video, we'll focus on 5 muscle-building workouts tailored specifically for beginners. These exercises target various muscle groups, helping you develop strength and definition without the need for fancy gym equipment. Let's dive into the routines. Number 5. Push-up. Push-ups are a fundamental bodyweight exercise targeting the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Starting in a plank position, lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push back up. They enhance upper body strength, core stability, and can be modified for all fitness levels. Here's how to perform them correctly. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor while keeping your core engaged. Push yourself back up to the starting position, fully extending your arms. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions, gradually increasing as you build strength. Number 4. Bodyweight squats. Bodyweight squats are excellent for targeting the lower body muscles, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Bodyweight squats are essential for strengthening the lower body muscles, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. With feet shoulder width apart, lower your body by bending your knees and pushing hips back, then return to standing. They improve leg strength, stability, and overall functional fitness. Follow these steps for proper form. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly pointed outward. Lower your body by bending your knees and pushing your hips back, as if sitting into an imaginary chair. Keep your chest up and your weight on your heels. Push through your heels to return to the starting position, fully extending your hips and knees. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions, focusing on controlled movements and proper technique. Number 3. Lunges. Lunges are another effective lower body exercise that helps build strength and stability. Here's how to perform them correctly. Start by standing tall with your feet hip width apart. Take a large step forward with one leg, lowering your body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Ensure your front knee is directly above your ankle and your back knee is hovering just above the ground. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position. Alternate legs and repeat the movement. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions on each leg, focusing on maintaining proper form throughout. Number 2. Plank. The plank is a fantastic exercise for strengthening the core muscles, including the abdominals, obliques, and lower back. The plank is a core strengthening exercise that involves holding a push-up position while maintaining a straight line from head to heels, promoting spinal stability and improved posture. Planks can be easily modified to suit various fitness levels. Follow these steps to perform a plank correctly. Begin in a push-up position, with your hands directly under your shoulders and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core muscles and hold this position, avoiding any sagging or arching of the back. Keep your neck and spine neutral, and focus on breathing steadily throughout the exercise. Aim to hold the plank for 30 to 60 seconds, gradually increasing the duration as you progress. Number 1. Superman. The Superman exercise targets the lower back muscles and helps improve posture and spinal stability. Here's how to do it. Lie face down on a mat with your arms extended overhead and your legs straight. Simultaneously lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground, engaging your lower back and glutes. Hold this position for a few seconds, then lower back down. Repeat for 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions, focusing on controlled movements and proper muscle activation. With these 5 muscle-building workouts, you can effectively strengthen and tone your entire body without the need for any equipment. Remember to focus on proper form, gradually increase the intensity and repetitions as you progress, and always listen to your body. Consistency and dedication are key to seeing results, so make these exercises a regular part of your home workout routine. And make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Get started today, and enjoy the benefits of a stronger, healthier body.